Hello there and welcome to today's maths lesson, which sees the second lesson of Unit 907 on fractions, decimals and percentages. So today the learning objective is to know how to convert fractions into recurring percentages. Make sure you've written that down. There's 6 questions on the board. Pause the video here for 10 minutes and complete the 6 knowledge retrieval questions, please. Pause the video now. And here are your 6 answers to the starter. So again, pause the video here, get a green pen, mark those 6 answers. If anyone's got 6 out of 6, again, I'll be really impressed with that. Well done. Okay, so for the first I do and we do examples of the lesson. And what it says is we're converting the following fractions into percentages and giving your answer to 1 decimal place. So first is 12 over 7. So remember last time how we calculated this? We would do 12 divided by 7. And we're going to do that again using our bus stop. So 12 is being divided by 7. So start by doing your bus stop, writing a 12 underneath the bus stop, and adding a load of 0.000000. This allows us to do the bus stop, but doesn't change the value of 12. So 12 is being divided by 7, so 7 goes here to the left. And then we just follow on with the method. So 7 into 1 goes 0 times, remainder 1. This becomes 12. 7 into 12 goes once, remainder 5. This becomes 50. 7 into 50 goes 7 times, remainder 1. This becomes 10. 7 into 10 goes 1 time, remainder 3. And then if we keep working our way through, we realise that this just is going to keep on going. But we realise here it starts repeating itself again. Notice it started 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. And it went 7, 1. And it was just going to repeat itself again. It was going to repeat these 6 digits here. 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. So once we notice it's starting to repeat itself again, we just cut it off there. So this recurring number is going to be 1.714285 with a dot above the 7 and a dot above the 5 to show where it starts and stops repeating. This is our answer to the decimal. We've calculated 12 divided by 7, but remember you need to times this by 100 to get it to a percentage. So 1.714285 times 100 equals 171.4 to 1 decimal place. So pause the video there, copy that down, and then try the we do for me, please. Okay, so for the we do, 13 divided by 7. So again, 13 with 0.00000 so on after it. So we can do the bus stop without changing the value of 13. And the 7 here to the left. Now do your bus stop and again go through with your method. 7 into 1 goes 0 times, carry the 1. 7 into 13 goes once, remainder 6. Now a feature I may have forgotten to add last time is keep the decimal place in the same position. So wherever your decimal place is here, you can just do it in the same place above. So if we carry on doing our process, so 7 into 60 goes 8 times, remainder 4. 7 into 40 goes 5 times, remainder 5. And we keep working through until we get to this part here where we see it goes 8, 5. And it's just going to repeat itself again. That means I know these digits, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, are going to repeat. So my answer is 1.8 with the recurring dot above it, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2. With a recurring dot above it to show where it starts and ends repeating. Times that by 100 to get it as a percentage, it equals 185.7% to 1 decimal place. Make sure you've marked that, and if you did make any mistakes, that's okay. Just make sure you correct your mistakes in green pen for me, please. Okay, so next example is 5 divided by 7. So again, under the bus stop goes your 5.00000 and so on. To the left of the bus stop goes your 7, and then we work through. 7 into 5 goes 0 times. Keep the decimal point in the same spot. Remainder 5 from the first number, so this turns into 50. 7 into 50 goes 7 times, remainder 1. 7 into 10 goes once, remainder 3. And we keep working our way through until it becomes clear that it's just going to start repeating again. And here we get a 7 and a 1. We know it's going to start repeating again. We know the next number is going to be 4, then 2, then 8, then 5. So we can stop here and we can write our recurring number as 0.7 with the first recurring dot, 14285 with the second recurring dot. Times that by 100 to get it to a percentage, and then round it to one decimal place, so it's 71.4%. Pause the video there, copy that down, try the WeDo please. Okay, so for the WeDo, 6 divided by 7. So 6 goes under the bus stop with the zeros after it, 7 goes to the left, we work our way through, we get 0.8571425, and again 85, we know it's going to start repeating, so we write our number 0.857142, and the 8 and the 5 and the 2 have recurring dots above them. Times it by 100 to turn it into a decimal, it becomes 85.7% to one decimal place. Make sure you've marked that in green pen. If you're doing this correctly, I'm really pleased. This is not an easy skill, so if you're doing this correctly, you are doing really, really well. Okay, so for the final example, we've got 5 over 6, and we've got to turn this into a percentage. So 5 is being divided by 6, so 5 goes under the bus stop. Remember to put the point 000 so on under it. 6 goes here to the left of the bus stop, and then we do our process. 6 into 5 is 0 times, remainder 5. Remember to keep the decimal point in the same position. 6 into, well, this becomes 50, so 6 into 50 goes 8 times, remainder 2. 6 into 20 goes 3 times, remainder 2. 6 into 20 goes 3 times, remainder 2. We can see from here, we're just in a loop. It's going to keep repeating. So we know this is going to be 0.83 with the 3 recurring, because it's just going to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 after this. So our decimal is 0.83 recurring, with only the 3 recurring. To turn that into a percentage, we times it by 100. It becomes 83.3% to one decimal place. So again, pause the video while you copy that down, and then do the WeDo for me, please. Pause the video so you can try the WeDo. Okay, so 1 over 6. This is 1 divided by 6. Again, your 1 with the zeros after it goes under the bus stop. 6 goes to the left. You do your processes, and we see that the 6 is repeating quite quickly. So this becomes 0.16 with the 6 recurring. Times that by 100, we get 16.7% this time, because remember, we're giving it to one decimal place. So 6 rounds up to 16.7. Okay, thank you for your good listening up to this point. Here you have 9 questions to answer independently, so pause the video for as long as you need. Complete these 9 questions, please. And here are your answers to the 9 questions. So, thank you for listening today. Make sure you've marked all those in green pen. If anyone's got 9 out of 9, that's really excellent, honestly. And I'll see you again in the next lesson. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.